Hello everyone, it's me Sanjana with a very healthy and warm welcome and a bundle of happiness to wish you all a very happy Lohri on the behalf of all the Rawalians. A good day always starts with a good thought. So let's call Omkar of class 7th to tell you a very nice thought.
और मेरा आज का विचार है, सफलता कभी भी पक्की नहीं होती और असफलता कभी भी अंतिम नहीं होती। इसलिए अपनी कोशिश को तब तक जारी रखिए जब तक आपकी जीत इतिहास न बन जाए। मैं पुनः दोहराता हूँ, सफलता कभी भी पक्की नहीं होती और असफलता कभी भी अंतिम नहीं होती। इसलिए अपनी जीत को तब तक जारी रखिए जब तक आपकी जीत इतिहास न बन जाए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you Omkar for inspiring us with such a beautiful one. Now, functionally, can you guys answer me why Lohri is celebrated? That's a little bit of a difficult question which everyone would not be knowing. So yeah, without wasting any time, just speak into the answer. The festival of Lohri, which is celebrated primarily by Sikh and Hindus all across India, marks the end of winter season and is traditionally believed to welcome the sun to the northern hemisphere, observed the night before Makar Sankranti. This occasion involves puja and parikrama around a bonfire with prasad. To give us detailings, let's call Radhika of class 7th to tell us more about Lohri.
Good morning to Honorable Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I Radhika and I will tell you about the Lohri festival. Lohri is a Punjabi festival celebrated primarily by the Punjabi community. It is the most popular festival in the state of Punjab in India. Besides India, it is celebrated worldwide by Punjabi people. Lohri makes the end of the winter season. Therefore, it is an seasonal festival. It is also considered as an harvest festival. It is an important day for the farmers. Lohri festival is usually celebrated on the 13th day of January. It is usually celebrated on the day before Makar Sankranti festival. Lohri makes the end of the winter season. People make every effort to take an advantage of the last day of winter season. It provides an opportunity to interact with friends and families. People also fly kites on this day. Kite flying event is enjoyed by all ages. Men's and women's wear traditional clothes and dance around the bonfire. They also sing songs and matters to please God. So at last, happy Lohri to all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Knowledge. आई लोहड़ी आई, सबको हो बधाई। लकड़ी सजा के आग लगा के फुलरी रेवड़ी खूब खाई। आई लोहड़ी आई, सबको हो खूब बधाई। Now let's call Jasmine to interact us with the arts of dance. Jasmine, thank you so much. शरीर अपना स्वस्थ बनाए, तिल के लड्डू सब मिलकर खाएं, बिखर गई चहु और पतंग, नील गगन में मोर पतंग. A very happy Makar Sankranti also guys. Yes, Makar Sankranti is even celebrated just the next day of Lohri. So let's call Garima to tell us something more about Makar Sankranti in details.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected principal sir, headmistress ma'am, and the teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Garima Sharma of class 6 is here to speak about Makar Sankranti. To show the transition of sun to the Capricorn, people in India celebrate Makar Sankranti. This day marks the midwinter end and the duration of day and night. Among all the festivals of Hindu religion, Makar Sankranti is one of the essential festivals celebrated in India. Every year on 14th or 15th January, the festival is celebrated depending upon the solar cycle. Everyone starts the morning by taking an holy dip in the river Ganga and offering prayers to the sun god. The major festival of Makar Sankranti is kite flying. Everyone takes part in kite flying with their whole family. The word Makar Sankranti came from two words, Makar and Sankranti. The meaning of Makar is Capricorn and the meaning of Sankranti is transition. The meaning of word Makar Sankranti is transition of sun to the Capricorn. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks Garima for telling us all this. Let's now just know a short poem by Suhani of class 7 so that we can entertain ourselves.
शुभ प्रभात। मैं सुहानी कक्षा 7 की छात्र आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। धूप हो चली तीखी तीखी, आने वाली वसंत बहार, ढेरों खुशियाँ लेकर आया जीवन में लोहड़ी त्योहार। मौसम ने ले ली है करवट, सूरज ने बदली है चाल, ढेरों खुशियाँ लेकर आया जीवन में लोहड़ी त्योहार। कल्क करके पंछी निकले, हवा बजाती सुरमई ताल, ठिठुर ठिठुर कर रही जिसमें हम, सर्दी की अब घटेगी मार, ढेरों खुशियाँ लेकर आया जीवन में लोहड़ी त्योहार। लोहड़ी आई, सर्दी खत्म होने को आई, दिन बड़े होने की खुशी में सबने मिलकर लोहड़ी मनाई। 13 जनवरी का दिन है आया, खुशियों ने है डेरा डाला, सुंदरी मुंदरी के गीतों से हम सब ने मिलकर लोहड़ी का है त्योहार मनाया। लोहड़ी आई, मिलकर हम सब एक दूजे को दे बधाई, जात पात का भेद मिटाकर मिलकर हम सब ने डांड जलाई, मूंगफली रेवड़ी अग्नि में डालकर हम सब ने लोहड़ी का है त्योहार मनाया। लोहड़ी के कर लोहड़ी मांगी, देनी माए लोहड़ी, तेरे द्वारे सारी टोली है आई, देनी माए लोहड़ी, तेरे द्वारे सारी टोली है आई। धन्यवाद। आप सभी को लोहड़ी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
The poem which Suhani told us was definitely truth. Yeah, that was truth. That was all binding all us together. So yeah, finally guys, a refreshing moment. Let's call Bhumi of class 8 for showing us her dance on a mashup song.
भाਵੇਂ सारी दुनिया च जाके वेख लो, हुस्न मुकाबला करा के वेख लो, भाਵੇਂ सारी दुनिया च जाके वेख लो, हुस्न मुकाबला करा के वेख लो, फिर भी जे किसे नूं ए झूठ लगदा, अर्शां तो परियां बुला के वेख लो, जावा सच रब दे दुआरां वर्गा, रूप कितनी पंजाबी मुटियारां वर्गा।
I am so impressed with the dance. What about you guys? Tell us. Every beginning has an end. That's all for today guys. Last but not the least, yes, this is end of the assembly. But yeah, we'll be right there for you all guys. Happy Lohri and happy Makar Sankranti.